We have to construct a truth table for a compound statement. We have here simple statements P, Q, and R. So the standard form that has 2 to 3rd, because we have simple statement P, Q, R is 3 simple statements, so we have 2 to 3rd, so this is 8. So we have to have 8 rows in our standard table. And next we have to just put in the first 3 columns combination of P, Q, R. P can be true or false, and Q the same, R the same. So for false we can use symbol F or 0, and for true we can use T or 1. It means the same. For false we use 0, and for true 1. I will use 0, 1 because it's easier for me. I like this. So we have P column, Q next, R. In the next column we have to check if we have negation of simple statement. We have negation of P, so we put not P. Next we have negation of Q, so will be not Q. Next we have to check first in parentheses. If we have parentheses, we have statement in parentheses, not P or R. So let's put this not P or R. Next we have negation of not P or R. So we will put not P or R. In next column we have to, so it was expression in brackets, now we have to put this whole statement which we have in braces. So it will be not, and first brackets, not P or R, and we have and Q. In the next column we have in parentheses R and not Q. And in the last column we will have to put this whole compound statement. Because I don't have enough place, so I will put that this is our first part, this is our second part, and between 1 and 2 we have and 2, so we have here conjunction. So now we have to put first our combination for simple statement P, Q, R. P can be true, Q can be true, and R can be true. Now let's put that P is 1, Q is false, so 0, R is 0. Next we can put 1, 1, 0 we can put. Next we can put 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And now we will have P is false, Q is false, and R is false. So we have all combination. You can always check. When we have 8 rows, you should have P true 4 times and 4 times false. The same for Q. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And for R we have to have 4 trues and 4 false. So everything is okay. Next we have negation of P. So not true, so this is 0, false, not true, 0, not true, so 0, 0, not false, so this is true, 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 true. Next, we have negation of Q, not Q. We have first 1, so this is true, not true, so will be 0. Not 0, so this is 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next, we have here disjunction. We know that disjunction is false only when both simple statements are false. So we have to look now for not P and R. So with 2 columns, and we have or. So 1 or 0. So this is 1. 0 or 0. So this is 0. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0. This is 1. 0 or 1. This is 1. 1 or 1. 1. 1 or 1. 1. 0 or 1. So it's 1. Next, we have negation of this whole statement. We have not P or Q. First, we have not 1, so this is true. Not true, so this is 0. Not false, so this is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, we have conjunction between these two statements. We have not and in parentheses not P or R, and we have and Q. So we have to look for this column and second column. So we have and. So conjunction is true when both of statements are true. We have 1 and 0, so this is 0, 0 and 1, so this is 0, 1 and 1, so 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, so this is 0. Next we have R and not Q. R, so this is third and fifth column. We have conjunction. We know that conjunction is true when both of statements are true. When we have 1 and 0, so this will be 0, 0 and 1. 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, so this is true. 0 and 0. False, 1 and 1, so this is true. 1 and 0, so this is 4, 0 and 1, so this is 0. And in the last column, we have truth table for this whole component. So we have to look in this column, because in this column we have our expression in braces, and we have no and the last our column. Because we have symbol and, it means we have conjunction. So conjunction is true when both of statements are true. We have 0 and 0, so this is 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0, so this is 0, 0 and 1, so 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0. 0 and 0, 0 and 0 and 0, so this is 0. So the last column is our truth table for compound statement. This is my solution.